Hey everybody, it's TRAKing Pat, and to help us celebrate our 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, during the month of September, we're going to be giving away some limited edition TRAKing Pat t-shirts. Just like this one here. And I'm sure you're wondering to yourself, how do I get me some of that swag? Well, it's really quite simple. All you got to do is make a comment on the bottom of this video and tell us about your favorite ProtoTRAK experience or story. We'd really like to hear them all. We're going to choose from a bunch of our favorites, and if you make the cut, your shirt will be on the way. For more information, just read the description below, but remember, there's a limited supply on these shirts, so if I were you, I'd get my comment in right away. I'm looking forward to reading all your stories, but in the meantime, remember as always to keep on tracking.